I'm working with Nestle with the supply chain team. I was a part of many clubs during my time at UPES. A part of HRUday club, which was used to develop many HR capabilities in students, and the club really helps us the overall improvement of the student. I was part of COMES Pulse team, which was a magazine team which launched many magazines during my time. It helps us to work as a team with good guidance from our teachers or the professors. We also imbibe team leader qualities while working for this team. I was a part of Ignite team, which was an overall development team. I was a core member of the organizing team in Ignite. There are many such clubs, like you have marketing clubs, you have logistic clubs, you have operation clubs, and each and every department had its own clubs. So thank you guys, and all the best for your future.